Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. In today's really fun video, we are going to be making some absolutely delicious chocolate cupcakes. For our recipe today, we need 225 grams of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cups. 225 grams of granulated white sugar, 1.25 cups. 250 grams of water, 1 cup. My water is at room temperature. 40 grams of cocoa powder, 1/3 cup. 105 grams of vegetable oil, 1/2 cup. You can also use canola oil if you don't have vegetable oil. 5 grams of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon. 3 grams of vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon. 5 grams of baking soda, 1 teaspoon. And our last ingredient, 3 grams of salt, 1/2 teaspoon. So those are the ingredients, so let's get started. To a large bowl, I will add in all my all-purpose flour, and all-purpose flour is also called plain flour in many countries. I'm going to add in all of my cocoa powder. All of the sugar, our baking soda, and our salt. And before we add our wet ingredients, I'm just going to give this a little bit of a stir. Once that's mixed, we'll add our wet ingredients. I have my cup of water here. I'm going to add my vanilla, my little bit of vinegar, and get that right in. And then our vegetable oil right onto the top. And that is it for the recipe. You notice that this is an egg-free recipe. You are going to be amazed when you see how good these cupcakes are. So just slowly mix this up, and then we are ready to fill our pans. So about 1 minute of mixing, and now we are ready to fill our pans. Look at how nice this batter is. Wow. So this recipe will make 12 cupcakes. So you want to use up all the batter. Try to get as even as you can and fill them all up. I do have my oven set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It is preheating as I'm doing this. So there we go. I have finished filling my cupcakes, and now I'm going to put them into my 350 degree Fahrenheit oven for 18 to 20 minutes. I'll bake these and I'll be right back. So here we go, right out of the oven, 19 minutes at my 350 degrees Fahrenheit. These are extremely hot right now, so we're going to let them cool, and then I'm going to break into one and show you how nice these are inside. I'm just going to give a little tilt because I do want to show you how nicely they have risen. So there's a good angle there, you can see that. So that looks really nice. So that's it. So I'll let these cool, and then I'll come back. So this is about an hour later. My cupcakes have completely cooled. So let's get into one. I'm going to show you what these look like inside. Look at this. Look at how nice these are. I can tell just from taking off the wrapper how nice these are. Look at this. Watch this. Look at how moist this is. Oh, look at that. Can you see that? Wow. Look at this. So moist. I'm going to go in for a little bite. Oh, that is good. That reminds me of a really rich chocolate brownie. Hopefully the camera is picking that up. Look at this. You are going to try this recipe once and you are going to be making this all the time, guaranteed. I thought I would finish off this video just showing the cupcakes with a little bit of frosting. And this frosting here is a really easy cream cheese frosting that you can find in another video. So this is a brand new video. I'll put a link to it at the end of this video and also under the video in the description box. So that's it for today's really fun recipe. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and if you're on Facebook, you can check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. That's it for today, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.